In a survival situation, your knife isn't just a tool, it's a lifeline. From carving to chopping, prepping food to crafting tools, a knife's versatility is unmatched. But there's one thing many people overlook that can make or break its effectiveness: blade angles. Understanding blade angles can transform your knife from a simple cutting tool into a precision instrument for survival. Whether you're making feather sticks, batoning wood, or preparing food, the angle of your blade determines how well it performs. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to choose, use, and maintain the right blade angle for every survival task. Blade angles refer to the degree at which a knife's edge is sharpened. Think of it like this. The steeper the angle, the tougher the edge, but it's not as sharp. A lower angle creates a razor-sharp edge for delicate work, but sacrifices durability. Here's a quick breakdown. 15 to 20 degrees. Razor-sharp for slicing, carving, and precision tasks. Great for food prep or delicate woodwork. 25 to 30 degrees. Durable and tough for heavy-duty tasks like batoning, chopping, or prying. 20 to 25 degrees. A balanced angle that offers versatility for most survival situations. The right angle makes your knife more effective, whether you're splitting kindling or filleting a fish. When you're carving small notches or creating feather sticks for kindling, a 15 to 20 degree angle is ideal. This sharp edge bites into the wood effortlessly, allowing you to make fine shavings or precise cuts. Be careful, though, this edge can dull or chip more quickly. For splitting wood or cutting through tough materials, a 25 to 30 degree angle is the way to go. This tougher edge won't chip under pressure, making it reliable for tasks that require force. If you're carrying one knife for everything, opt for a middle ground angle of 20 to 25 degrees. This balance offers both sharpness and durability, making it a dependable choice for a wide range of tasks. To sharpen and maintain your knife at the right angle, you'll need a sharpening stone or guided sharpening system, a leather strop for refining the edge, and a small pocket sharpener for field use. Hold your knife at the correct angle on the stone. For a 20-degree angle, tilt the blade slightly less than halfway between vertical and horizontal. Apply even pressure and move the blade across the stone in smooth strokes. Repeat on both sides to maintain symmetry. Finish with a leather strop to polish the edge and remove any burrs. Always carry a compact sharpener. In the field, time and tools are limited, so being able to quickly restore an edge is essential. Inspect your knife regularly. A dull blade is not only inefficient but also more dangerous. It requires more force, increasing the risk of injury. It's not just the angle that matters. Blade geometry plays a role too. Knives come in different edge styles, flat grinds, simple and versatile, excellent for all-around use. Convex grinds, strong and durable, perfect for heavy chopping. Hollow grinds, razor-sharp but delicate, ideal for slicing and precision work. Match the blade grind with the appropriate angle for maximum efficiency. For instance, a convex edge paired with a 25 to 30 degree angle is unbeatable for heavy-duty work. To recap, the angle of your blade can determine your success in the wild. Lower angles, 15 to 20 degrees, are great for precision work like carving or slicing. Higher angles, 25 to 30 degrees, provide durability for demanding tasks like chopping wood. A mid-range angle, 20 to 25 degrees, gives you the best of both worlds, making it ideal for general survival use. Pair the right angle with consistent maintenance, and your knife will be ready for anything. Your knife is only as effective as the care you put into it. Take a few minutes to check the edge of your blade. What angle is it sharpened to? Practice sharpening your knife to the right angle for your needs. If you're new to this, start with a guided sharpening system. It's a great way to learn the basics. And remember, a dull knife in the wild is more dangerous than no knife at all. Stay prepared, stay sharp, and stay safe. I'll see you out there on the next adventure.